In this video, we're going to explore some of the most interesting and unexpected facts about the world around us. We'll talk about foods that are naturally radioactive, why the human brain cannot feel pain, how humans can technically glow in the dark, a planet where a single day lasts longer than a year, and many more fascinating facts that sound unbelievable but are completely real. So, let's get started. It may sound unbelievable, but bananas naturally emit radiation. This happens because bananas contain potassium, an essential nutrient our bodies need to function. A tiny portion of this potassium exists as a radioactive isotope known as potassium-40. When you eat a banana, your body is exposed to a minuscule amount of natural radiation. However, this radiation is so weak that it poses no danger at all. In fact, it's impossible to eat enough bananas for it to cause harm. This phenomenon is so well understood that scientists even use a unit called the banana equivalent dose to explain radiation levels in a relatable way. Despite being the control center of your entire body, the brain itself cannot feel pain. Brain tissue lacks pain receptors, which is why neurosurgeons are able to perform brain surgeries while patients remain awake and responsive. Pain comes from the surrounding tissues, like the skull and membranes, not the brain itself. This strange fact reveals just how complex and counterintuitive human biology can be. 8. Octopuses are some of the most biologically unusual creatures on Earth. They have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third sends blood to the rest of the body. Their blood is also blue, not red, because it uses copper instead of iron to transport oxygen. Even more strangely, when an octopus swims, the main heart stops beating, which is why they prefer crawling over swimming. Humans do emit light, just not in a way our eyes can detect. Chemical reactions, constantly occurring inside our cells, produce small amounts of visible light, a process known as bioluminescence. Special cameras can capture this faint glow, but it's far too weak for human vision. Still, it means that technically, your body is glowing every second of your life. For years, people believed that there were more stars in the galaxy than trees on Earth. But modern research has shown that Earth is home to roughly 3 trillion trees. That number exceeds the estimated number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. It's a powerful reminder that even our own planet holds quantities that rival the vastness of space. If you're enjoying the video so far, consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. Make sure to ring the bell for updates, and share this video with your friends and family if you found it helpful. When you wake up, you're slightly taller than when you went to bed. Throughout the day, gravity compresses the discs in your spine, slowly reducing your height. When you lie down at night, those discs expand again. The difference is small, usually about 1 centimeter, but it's measurable and real. The acid inside your stomach is strong enough to dissolve steel. It helps break down food, kill bacteria, and protect your body from harmful pathogens. The reason it doesn't destroy your stomach is because your body constantly produces a thick protective lining. If that lining is damaged, it can lead to ulcers, proof of just how powerful this acid really is. Venus rotates incredibly slowly. It takes about 243 Earth days to complete 1 full rotation on its axis, meaning a single day on Venus lasts longer than an entire Venusian year. This bizarre fact makes Venus one of the strangest planets in our solar system and challenges how we normally understand time. The voice you hear when you speak is not the same voice others hear. You hear your voice through vibrations traveling inside your skull, while others hear it through air. This is why recordings of your voice often sound unfamiliar or higher pitched. The recording is actually closer to how everyone else hears you. The elements that make up your body, carbon, oxygen, iron, were forged inside stars billions of years ago. When those stars exploded in massive supernovae, they scattered these elements across the universe. Eventually, those atoms became part of planets, life, and finally, you. In the most literal scientific sense, you are made of stardust. These facts may seem random, but together they reveal just how extraordinary reality truly is. I hope you enjoyed learning something new today. Let me know which facts surprised you the most. I'll be back soon with more fascinating facts.